To go in. Really? Are you sure? Alrighty, well, Matilda here, she's a bit of a romantic. We always need mood music, so let's go with this. Or not.